What is the one word for not admitting of passage or capable of being affected? The correct answer is impervious. What is the one word for any plant disease resulting in withering without rotting? The correct answer is blight. What is the one word for an inherent cognitive or perceptual power of the mind? The correct answer is faculty. What is the one word for one who voluntarily suffers death? The correct answer is martyr. What is the one word for occurring or coming into existence after a person's death? The correct answer is posthumous. What is the one word for objects that are valued because of their link to historical events or a particular interest? The correct answer is memorabilia. What is the one word for costing nothing? The correct answer is gratis. What is the one word for causing extreme distress? The correct answer is harrowing. What is the one word for the power of creative imagination? The correct answer is ingenuity. What is the one word for the power to entice or attract? The correct answer is allure. What is the one word for stress or single out as important? The correct answer is accentuate. What is the one word for a large indefinite number? The correct answer is multitude. What is the one word for equipment consisting of miscellaneous articles? The correct answer is paraphernalia. What is the one word for collect or gather? The correct answer is amass. What is the one word for internal organs collectively? The correct answer is viscera. What is the one word for fraudulent, having a misleading appearance? The correct answer is bogus. What is the one word for having the characteristics of a tyrannical ruler? The correct answer is despotic. What is the one word for regard with feelings of respect? The correct answer is revere. What is the one word for characteristic of a mother? The correct answer is maternal. What is the one word for a person who shows no thankfulness or appreciation? The correct answer is ingrate.